1967 Mustang Fastback. 99% chance it's a real GTA. Big block S code, loaded with options. Factory Deluxe Interior, fold down seat, power steering, power disc brakes. Air conditioning car missing some of the parts. California car its whole life, built in San Jose, sold in San Jose when new. Got some upgrades on it, some nice tri-Y headers, Cobra LeMans tall aluminum valve covers, similar to the 67 Shelby, same thing with the air cleaner. Edel aluminum water pump, Performer RPM intake. Holley carburetor, didn't check the size yet. Optima battery. Huge aluminum radiator with dual fans. It's an AC car, but it's missing the compressor and the hoses and the condenser and the pump and the brackets. Upper and lower factory console, factory Tach, factory tilt-away. It is original color, Vintage Burgundy. It's got a little bit of metallic added to it to make it look better. Came with the 325 posi. Probably still has that. More than likely. It's got the original 9-inch rear end with the big plug on the back. Doesn't have the polished aluminum panels. It's got the aftermarket brushed aluminum. Personally, I like the polished aluminum panels better. Oil pressure's good. Check the car for Bondo. The only Bondo I can find is in this area here. There was a previous accident. You can't tell from the outside, but inside the trunk you can tell where it's been repaired. Rev it for me. I'll make it. Turn it off. Car was completed 2005. Not driven too much after that. It's original 9-inch with a big plug on the back. Rear leaf springs were replaced. Heavy duty ones. It's got the underride traction bars and Global West subframe connectors. Original floor pans look good. Car runs and drives real good. See the other video for the test drive video. Nice thing about the tri-Y headers, they have a lot of ground clearance so you're not scraping the ground all the time. Give me a call if you have any questions, 714-757-8437. Hand me the keys. Open up the trunk here. I need that stack of receipts too. You gotta wiggle that key to get it open. Kind of, yeah, you gotta play with it. Nice spare tire to match. CD player, aftermarket stereo amps and stuff. It's the left rear quarter panel. You can see where it's had some repair work in the past, which just about every one of these Mustangs has at one point in time. Huge stack of paperwork. All kinds of receipts here. Haven't gone through them. Clear California title. Anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call, 714-757-8437, and watch the other video on the test drive. Thank you very much.